In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Todoist. This simple yet impactful guide will ensure that your Todoist app or web page is up to date with all your tasks, projects, and deadlines. It's a quick process that can make managing your to-dos even smoother. First off, I want you to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you're comfortable with. Now let's head over to Todoist by entering the Todoist login URL into your browser's address bar. As you do this, remember, staying organized and on top of your tasks starts with ensuring you're looking at the most current information. And that's exactly what we're aiming to do today. Once you're on the login page, the next step is to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Todoist account. This might be your personal email, or perhaps it's a work email if you're using Todoist for professional projects. Typing it correctly ensures a smooth login process, so take a moment to double check. Following your email entry, it's time to enter your password. Now, if you're like many of us, remembering every single password can be a chore. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password link right on the login page. But assuming you've got it right after entering your password, go ahead and click the login button. Feeling that sense of anticipation, you're just about to dive into your Todoist universe. Now here we are, successfully logged in. The next natural step is to navigate to the Today view of Todoist. This is where you'll see all the tasks scheduled for the current day. It's a hub for your daily productivity, and ensuring it's refreshed means you're seeing the most up-to-date list of tasks that need your attention. So go on and click the link to take you to the Today section. Okay, we're nearly there. You're looking at your Today view. Now, to ensure everything is current, look for the refresh button. This is usually located at the top left corner of your browser. It might look like a circular arrow, or could simply say refresh, depending on your setup or any customizations you have in place. Go ahead and click this button. This action prompts your browser to reload the page, ensuring any updates or changes made to your tasks or projects are reflected immediately. By performing this simple refresh, you're not only making sure that you're working with the most current data, but you're also potentially saving yourself from overlooking a newly added task or an updated deadline. It's a quick step, but its impact on your productivity and task management can be significant. Remember, staying organized and efficient isn't just about managing tasks, it's also about ensuring the tools we use are optimized and up to date. By refreshing your Todoist Today view regularly, you're taking an active step in maintaining your productivity system's effectiveness. And there you have it, a straightforward process for refreshing Todoist. This refresh routine can be a small but powerful habit that helps keep your tasks and projects aligned with your daily goals, whether at the start of your day, after adding a batch of new tasks, or as a periodic check-in during your day. Refreshing Todoist ensures you're always on top of your game. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the key to productivity isn't just about what you're doing, but also how effectively you're managing and updating your tasks. Happy organizing, and here's to a more productive you.